Oh boy, just got finished with the Spartan race and ready to, I need a ride. I got to get back to DC, so I was just hoping somebody could pick me up here soon. I don't know, just been waiting for a ride forever. Oh hey, wait, look at this. Look, it's that kid. It's that kid. Hey kid, can I catch a ride? Well, I was going to head back to DC, but I left my shoes up there at the barn from the Spartan race. Can you give me a ride back to the... Oh, cool. Thanks, kid. Let me hop on here with you. Boy, you come to my rescue all the time, kid.
Yeah, man.
Wow, this is quite a tractor you have. I bet this goes through anything, don't it, kid?
Oh, it does, man.
Is that turbo mode, kid? Helping me out a lot, kid. I really appreciate it for all these rides you've been giving me. That kid. All right. Hey, kid. Well, this thing, could you give me a ride to DC, you think?
Yeah.
I don't know about that one, kid. See ya, kid. Man, that kid's something else. He gives me rides everywhere. I gotta find out who that kid it really is. Boy, he has all kinds of toys, that kid. Look at him go on that thing. Well, hey kid, if you're watching this video, thanks for the rides. Really, thank you. I appreciate that, kid.